What do YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, you guys. So today's the day, you guys. The Demon Hood will be installed. And I'm going to show you guys, the link's going to be in the description down below, you guys, because this Demon Hood is going to look good on your Charger. And I'm putting it on this vehicle so you guys can get it for yours. So they have plenty of other stuff, you guys. About to take you guys down to the warehouse with me so you guys can see. If you are in the Phoenix area or in Vegas, there's a local warehouse where you guys can pick this part up and you don't have to wait. So let's go ahead and head down there. If you are new, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let's head down to this warehouse. All right, you guys. So right now, I'm here to pick up the Demon Hood, you guys. So as I mentioned, they have a whole bunch of stuff here that you guys can pick up locally. So it's in Phoenix and there's one in Nevada, Las Vegas. So I'm about to just show you guys just a little bit of stuff that they have, and you guys can click the link in the description down below if you need anything for your car. So the hood that I got, this is the part number for it right here, you guys, as you guys can see. So right now I'm about to go ahead and put it on top of the vehicle. Once I get back to the garage, I'll give you guys a more in-depth video. As you guys can see, they have hoods, you know, for Dodge Charger, Dodge Challenger, Chryslers. There's stuff right here in stock, you guys. So if you guys want anything, like I said, if you're in Phoenix, and you want something for your car fast and you don't want to wait for shipping, you can come down here and pick it right on up. Like I said, the link's going to be in the description down below, you guys. They will contact you, either email if you want to schedule a pickup or delivery. So this is everything that they have right here. So the hood that I have is the Dodge Demon Hood, which is going on this Dodge Charger right here, you guys. And like I said, I'm going to give you guys a more in-depth video of this. So you guys, there's actually more stuff that I would like to show you guys. They have front bumpers, wide body kits, a lot of things in stock for you guys. So like I said, if you want an ASAP, if you're in Phoenix, you can come and pick it up. It's all right here, you guys, that you guys can pick up locally. They also have wide body kits. I will show you guys a few, clips of that. Eventually I will install their wide body kit so that way you guys can see the fitment and that everything is good. But as far as everything, they have everything here, as you guys can see. So as you guys can see right here, this is the wide body for the Dodge Charger. So this one actually has the built-in wide body flare, because I know a lot of wide body kits, they have it to where you have to mount it to the bumper, mount it to the fender flare, the fender, but this one is mounted to the bumper, okay? So this is the model that I know a lot of you guys like, so you don't have to ask no more questions. This is exactly what it looks like. So also it actually has the support brackets. So like if you do order it and you need to get shipped, it also has the brackets on there. So that way it protects the bumper from going up and down, as you guys can see right here in the video. So that's also good. Let's go ahead and strap this down. Let's get ready to do an unboxing for you guys. I got it strapped down. So let's go ahead and head to the garage and let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Well, you guys, I made it back safe and sound. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. So you guys gotta unscrew these. So this is where the hinges go for the hood. So I'm about to go ahead and take these off real quick. All you guys, so got everything unboxed. About to go ahead and pull this vehicle in and get this demon hood on. So you guys don't worry, I'm about to go ahead and clip this in. But first, I want you guys to stay tuned because I will be wrapping this hood to match the car. So this is gonna be candy purple and the hood scoop is going to be in forage. So this is how it looks, you guys. What you think about it, bro?
That looks beastie.
It looks beastie?
Monstrous.
Like BSS parts?
It looks like BSS parts.
You guys, look, I didn't even align this thing yet, but you're gonna have to deal with lining up some stuff, but that's with any hood. So don't just think it's just gonna put it right on. You're gonna have to do adjustments, which I will do once I get the wide body kit on here from BSS parts. So that way you guys can see, everything will line up. If you buy the hood, you get the wide body kit and all of that stuff, everything will flow nice and perfectly and it's gonna look beautiful. So with that being said, you guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. As you can see, the Demon hood is on. Like I said, you guys, the fitment is not gonna be perfect. You will have to do adjusting with the screws and the hinges and all of that. So that video will be once I install the wide body kit with the front bumper and the flares. And the only reason that is because you have to really align this with the bumper on the car. So that way you can check the gaps and all of that stuff. So this is what I was explaining to you guys. This is not clipped in yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the hood. So you guys will see me clip this in and it will sit flush, okay? So make sure you guys stay tuned. All right, you guys, as you guys can see, the Demon hood is finally on. Now, this hood actually comes pre-drilled with the holes for your hinges, and actually also it has a functioning hood. So usually some hoods are not functioning, but this one is functioning so that way the air can go straight into the air intake. Now this is an unpainted hood. So if you do decide to paint this, you will have to sand it down a little bit, prime it, then get ready for paint. But without further ado, if you guys want this hood right here, make sure you guys click the link in the description down below. Don't worry about the front end. I'm gonna get the front end on here so that way everything can look nicely and you guys can see how everything comes out. But without further ado, I hope you guys did enjoy this video and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Hold that thought. Now, a lot of you gonna ask me, why you got a Demon hood for a V6 Charger? Yes, this is a V6 Charger, but I'm also building a 6.4 BGE block with forged internals, billet main caps, the whole 9 yards. So without further ado, stay tuned for that and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.